Welcome back to another cooking vlog with enchanting endeavors. Today we are making a spicy, flavorful, high-protein chana recipe, perfect for gatherings, get-togethers, or when you want something a little special. We start with about 3 cups of overnight soaked chana. Transfer them to a pressure cooker. Add enough water to cover the chana. To bring more flavor to the chana, add 1 spoon each of jeera powder, red chili powder, turmeric, and salt. Mix everything well, making sure the spices coat the chana evenly. Now place the pressure cooker on the stove, set the heat to high, and cook it for 3 whistles before turning the heat off. Now let's move to the gravy preparation. I'm roughly chopping the onions for a thick, rich paste. This gravy is meant to be bold and spicy, with just a little tang to balance all the flavors. For the tomato base, I'm taking 2 handfuls of cherry tomatoes. Add them to a blender with a little water and blend into a thick, smooth paste. This tomato puree gives the curry its rich color and adds a fresh and slightly tangy flavor that lifts the whole dish. Now let's carefully open the lid of the pressure cooker and check if the chana is cooked through. Press one chickpea. It should be soft inside but not mushy. That's how you know it's perfectly done and ready for the gravy. Next, take a pan and add enough oil. Enough to give the gravy a rich, luscious texture. Once the oil is warm, add a bay leaf, 3 crushed cardamom pods, 2 dried red chili, few cloves, and some whole jeera. Using a spoon, gently saute these spices in the oil until they release their aroma. Now, add the roughly chopped onions to the pan. Keep the flame at medium and saute them until they turn beautiful golden brown. On top of the golden onions, add the rich tomato puree, some ginger paste, a little salt, red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Mix everything well so the spices and tomato come together beautifully. Saute this masala for few minutes, letting the aroma fill the kitchen and the mixture thicken into a rich fragrant base for our dish. Once the masala base is aromatic and well cooked, add the boiled chana along with the water they were cooked in. Gently stir everything together, letting the chickpeas soak up the flavors. Now let it simmer on low heat for at least 15 minutes. Once the chana has simmered and the flavors are well blended, add 3 spoonfuls of yogurt to the gravy. If you prefer a thicker, richer gravy, you can also add a spoonful of cashew paste at this stage. Finally, sprinkle in some kasturi methi and freshly chopped coriander. Mix them gently into the gravy, which adds a wonderful aroma and a fresh, vibrant finish to our chana masala. And there you have it, thick, aromatic, and full of spicy flavor. Serve it hot and enjoy every bite of this delicious chana masala. Stay tuned to Enchanting Endeavors for more flavorful recipes.